G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm going to repot this plant here. I got given it a few years ago actually, and well, I've never done anything to it, and as you can see, like the soil in the top is right down and it needs to be, well, repotted. Or what do you do with it? Now if you look on the top here, you can see, well, the root system is starting around there, so I don't want to fill it up with soil because the soil will probably start rotting the trunk and then you'll just kill the plant. So we need to repot it somehow, but I don't want to change the soil. I just want to add some soil to it. So what I'm going to do today is just add some soil, but I'll be adding it underneath. So we should be able to just pull this out, and there you have it. Well, it doesn't exactly look root bound. There's not that many roots there I can see. But I do want to just get some potting mix. So I just got some more potting mix and I'll chuck that in. You just got to guesstimate how much you want to put in. So I think it was about, I don't know, halfway up my fingers, and well, that seems about right. But what I want to do also is maybe just squeeze some of this soil off around here and mix it in with that soil, that fresh stuff I just put in. And also I want to take some of this soil off here and I'll mix that in with some of this soil here. Now you can add some fertilizer down the bottom if you want, where it's going to sit in there. I'll do that. Give that a bit of a mix. Now let me just test this, see how high it is. Well, it is pretty high, but it's got this lean on it, which I probably should have tried to adjust for. So that's alright. I'll just take out some of this soil on one side, push it up a bit on the other. Well, you could also just try and loosen the bottom here, so it's trying to sit a little bit flatter. But that's sitting a little bit more flat there now, straight up and down, which is good. So I'll just fill in around those sides there. And also, now I've got this all-in-one fertilizer here, and well, let me show you. It's made up of mainly chicken manure and it stinks. But I want to add some to the top here. Give it some good old fertilizer. And then I'll add the soil on top, and hopefully that will mask the smell of that fertilizer, which is pretty bad. There we go. Keep it, you know, a centimetre or so from the top of the pot. So it's alright. Give it a bang. Alright. And now I just want to give it a good watering in. Make sure the water's coming out the bottom of the pot. And especially watering in that chicken manure, that stuff. It does smell, and well, I don't want the dog to start digging into the pot to try and eat it, because they do like eating it sometimes. So if I water it in nicely, it will half dissolve and then the dog won't try and eat it. There you go. So now that plant's standing up a lot nicer and not a big space at the top, and hopefully this will start growing like crazy over this summer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.